What is up, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little different video for you guys. This is kind of like my off day slash lazy day slash errands day slash I have a few things to do today slash I just really want to stay in bed type of day routine. So I pretty much take a long time to get up, and then finally I do decide to turn off my alarm, and yeah, I'm awake. So at this point, sometimes I get up, sometimes I sit up, sometimes I go somewhere else. But at this point, I usually go through my Bible, go through my devotions, I pray, and I do whatever I have to do. I check my phone, you know, whatever I need to do. At this point, I decide what I'm gonna do for the rest of the day. I make my plans, This is what I do at this point. And then finally, I get up and I go in the bathroom. I go ahead and I wash my face. Get that sleep off my face, And then I rinse it off and I go ahead and I apply a moisturizer. And then I take my silk scarf off my head, but I probably should have kept it on because my hair is looking a hot mess. Anywho, I go ahead and I brush my teeth and I use some mouthwash. I open up the blinds, let a little sunlight in the place, and I go ahead and decide what I'm gonna make for breakfast. And today I'm making some eggs. So I go ahead and I melt my butter. I crack my eggs in a pan. And then I add some parsley, some salt and pepper, and I mix it around. Yum. Then I go ahead and I wash some fruits. And I get some fruits ready to eat with my breakfast. And of course, I have a little toast with a little light butter. And of course, what's breakfast without some water? Yum. Oh man, my stomach is talking to me right now. And of course, I go ahead and I wash my dishes. It's very nasty to keep dishes in your sink for the entire day. So I go ahead and I wash it up and I fix my bed. That's right, my mother raised me right. And then I decide what clothes I'm going to wear and what shoes I'm going to wear. And then I finally go and take a shower. Make sure the water is nice and warm. That shower was really quick. And then I go ahead and I apply some makeup, just a little foundation, my wing eye, some mascara, and a really bold lip. Then I do a little highlight, and then I do my setting spray. And I'm deciding what am I gonna do with my hair. I don't know, so I'm just gonna pin it in the back. That always works. And that's it. Put on my clothes, put on my shoes, and I'm ready to get out the house. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to thumbs up this video. Have a good one. Bye.
You are the same. From the day that I knew that I could love you, I am your slave. I won't ever run away.